Welcome to our exploration of one of the most fascinating countries in the world, Egypt. Known as the cradle of civilization, Egypt boasts a rich tapestry of history that dates back thousands of years. From the majestic pyramids of Giza to the ancient temples of Luxor, this land is steeped in stories of pharaohs, gods, and monumental achievements. As we journey through Egypt, we'll uncover not only its iconic landmarks, but also the hidden gems that often go unnoticed by travelers. In this video, we aim to engage your curiosity and ignite your wanderlust as we delve into the best places to visit in Egypt. Whether you're a history buff eager to walk in the footsteps of ancient kings or an adventurer looking for unique experiences, Egypt has something for everyone. Picture yourself standing before the Great Sphinx, marveling at its enigmatic presence, or sailing down the Nile River, soaking in the breathtaking landscapes that have inspired countless artists and writers. But it's not just about the well-trodden paths. We'll also highlight lesser-known sites that offer a glimpse into the everyday life and culture of the Egyptian people. So buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey through Egypt, where every corner holds a story waiting to be discovered. The Pyramids of Giza stand as a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of ancient Egyptian civilization. Among them, the Great Pyramid of Giza, built for Pharaoh Khufu around 2580 BC, is the most iconic and holds the prestigious title of being one of the seven wonders of the ancient world. This monumental structure not only showcases the incredible architectural skills of its time, but also serves as a symbol of the pharaoh's divine status and the belief in the afterlife. As you gaze upon the Great Pyramid, you can't help but marvel at its precise alignment and massive scale. Originally standing at 481 feet, it was the tallest man-made structure for over 3,800 years. The mysteries surrounding its construction continue to intrigue historians and archaeologists alike. How did the ancient Egyptians transport and assemble such colossal stones? What techniques did they use to achieve such remarkable precision? These questions add to the allure of the pyramids, inviting visitors to ponder the brilliance of a civilization that thrived over 4 millennia ago. Experiencing the Pyramids of Giza in person is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Standing at the base of these ancient giants, you can feel the weight of history and the energy of the past. Whether you're exploring the surrounding complex or taking a camel ride through the desert, the Pyramids of Giza promise an unforgettable adventure that connects you to the heart of Egypt's rich heritage. Welcome to Luxor, often referred to as the ancient city of Thebes, a place that was once the heart of the Egyptian Empire. This remarkable city is a treasure trove of history, showcasing the grandeur of ancient civilization through its stunning monuments and archaeological wonders. Luxor is home to the Valley of the Kings, where the tombs of some of Egypt's most famous pharaohs lie hidden beneath the desert sands, including the legendary Tutankhamun. Discovered in 1922, Tutankhamun's tomb captivated the world with its wealth of artifacts and the stunning golden mask that has become an enduring symbol of ancient Egypt. As you explore the Valley of the Kings, you'll encounter the elaborate burial sites of other notable rulers, each adorned with intricate hieroglyphics and breathtaking wall paintings that tell stories of their lives and beliefs. The significance of these tombs extends beyond their opulence. They offer invaluable insights into the religious practices and daily life of ancient Egyptians. In addition to the Valley of the Kings, Luxor boasts magnificent temples that are a must-see. The Karnak Temple Complex, one of the largest religious sites in the world, features towering columns and massive statues that evoke a sense of awe. Nearby, the Luxor Temple, beautifully illuminated at night, showcases the architectural brilliance of ancient builders. A visit to Luxor is not just a journey through history, it's an invitation to connect with the rich cultural heritage of Egypt. The Nile River, often referred to as the lifeblood of Egypt, has played a crucial role in shaping the culture and civilization of this remarkable country for thousands of years. Flowing over 4,000 miles, the Nile has provided water, fertile soil, and a means of transportation, allowing ancient Egyptians to thrive in an otherwise arid landscape. Its annual flooding deposited nutrient-rich silt along the banks, enabling agriculture to flourish and supporting the growth of one of the world's earliest civilizations. Today, the Nile continues to be a vital part of Egyptian life and tourism. A cruise along this iconic river offers a unique perspective on the stunning landscapes and historical sites that line its banks. Imagine gliding past ancient temples, bustling markets, and picturesque villages while soaking in the serene beauty of the river. For a more intimate experience, consider sailing on a traditional felucca, a wooden sailboat that has been used for centuries. This leisurely journey allows you to connect with the river in a way that larger vessels cannot, as you drift along the calm waters surrounded by lush greenery and the sounds of nature. In addition to cruising, the Nile is home to numerous riverside attractions, including the temples of Karnak and Luxor, as well as charming towns like Aswan. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins or simply enjoying the breathtaking views, the Nile River is an essential part of any Egyptian adventure, inviting you to discover the magic of this timeless land. Cairo, the bustling capital of Egypt, is a city where history comes alive at every turn. Its rich tapestry of culture and heritage is woven through its historic sites, making it a must-visit destination for anyone interested in the ancient and the modern. One of the crown jewels of Cairo is the Egyptian Museum, home to an extensive collection of artifacts that span over 5,000 years of history. Here, you can marvel at the treasures of Tutankhamun, intricate mummies, and countless statues that tell the story of Egypt's glorious past. Each exhibit offers a glimpse into the lives of pharaohs and the daily life of ancient Egyptians, making it an unforgettable experience. Another highlight of Cairo is Islamic Cairo, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its stunning architecture and vibrant atmosphere. As you wander through its narrow streets, you'll encounter magnificent mosques, such as the Mosque of Muhammad Ali and the Sultan Hassan Mosque, each showcasing intricate designs and historical significance. The blend of Islamic and medieval architecture creates a unique backdrop that transports you back in time. To truly immerse yourself in Cairo's culture, don't miss the local markets or souks, where you can experience the lively atmosphere filled with the sense of spices, the sounds of bargaining, and the vibrant colors of textiles and crafts. Exploring these markets not only offers a taste of local life, but also provides an opportunity to take home a piece of Cairo's rich heritage. Aswan, located in southern Egypt, is a city that captivates visitors with its stunning landscapes and rich historical significance. Nestled along the banks of the Nile River, Aswan is known for its picturesque views featuring granite rocks, lush palm trees, and the tranquil waters of the river. One of the most important engineering feats in modern history, the Aswan High Dam, plays a crucial role in controlling the Nile's flooding and providing hydroelectric power to the region. This monumental structure not only transformed Egypt's agricultural landscape, but also created Lake Nasser, one of the largest artificial lakes in the world, enhancing the natural beauty of the area. A short journey from Aswan leads you to the awe-inspiring temples of Abu Simbel, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that showcases the grandeur of ancient Egyptian architecture. Built by Pharaoh Ramses II in the 13th century BC, these colossal temples are carved into the mountainside and feature 4 massive statues of the pharaoh himself, standing guard at the entrance. The temples were relocated in the 1960s to save them from rising waters caused by the construction of the Aswan High Dam, a remarkable feat of engineering that preserved this incredible piece of history. As you explore Aswan and Abu Simbel, take a moment to appreciate the harmonious blend of nature and history. The breathtaking landscapes, combined with the monumental achievements of ancient Egypt, create an unforgettable experience that highlights the beauty and significance of this remarkable region. The Red Sea resorts are a paradise for those seeking both relaxation and adventure, offering a vibrant underwater world that attracts travelers from around the globe. Among the most popular destinations are Sharm el-Sheikh and Hurghada, each boasting stunning beaches, luxurious accommodations, and a plethora of activities that cater to every type of traveler. Sharm el-Sheikh, located at the southern tip of the Sinai Peninsula, is renowned for its crystal-clear waters and breathtaking coral reefs. Here you can immerse yourself in the beauty of the Red Sea by snorkeling or diving among colorful fish and intricate coral formations. Hurghada, on the other hand, is a bustling resort town that offers a lively atmosphere with numerous beach clubs and water sports activities. Both destinations provide ample opportunities for relaxation, whether you prefer lounging on the beach with a cocktail in hand or indulging in a rejuvenating spa treatment. The unique marine life of the Red Sea is a major draw for visitors. With over 1,000 species of fish and an array of coral reefs, the underwater ecosystem is nothing short of spectacular. From vibrant clownfish to majestic sea turtles, every dive or snorkeling excursion reveals a new wonder. Whether you're an experienced diver or a first-time snorkeler, the Red Sea resorts promise an unforgettable experience that combines the thrill of exploration with the tranquility of sun-soaked beaches, making it the perfect getaway for all. As we wrap up our journey through the best places to visit in Egypt, it's clear that this incredible country offers a wealth of attractions that cater to every type of traveler. From the iconic Pyramids of Giza, which stand as a testament to ancient engineering, to the rich history found in Luxor and the Valley of the Kings, Egypt is a treasure trove of cultural significance. The breathtaking landscapes along the Nile River and the vibrant underwater world of the Red Sea resorts further highlight the diverse experiences awaiting you. Key takeaways to remember include the importance of the Nile as a lifeline for civilization, the grandeur of the Abu Simbel temples, and the unique marine life that thrives in the Red Sea. Each destination offers its own charm and history, making Egypt a must-visit for anyone seeking adventure and knowledge. If you enjoyed this exploration of Egypt's attractions, we encourage you to take action by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. Your support helps us continue to bring you more exciting travel content. We also invite you to share your own experiences or questions about Egypt in the comments below. Whether you have visited these incredible sites or are planning your trip, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope to see you in our next adventure.
Do you want to save big on your next adventure? Watch this video right here. It's basically a free training. See you there.